Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, the revolutionary Manus AI technology that's causing quite a stir in the tech world. In just 3 minutes, I'm going to dive deep and see if I can master this game-changing tech. Ready? Let's go. So what's the big deal about Manus AI? Current AI technologies, as amazing as they are, come with a bunch of limitations. They need tons of data, they're often error-prone and struggle to generalize across different scenarios. This makes it really tough for industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation to fully embrace AI solutions. One major issue is transparency. Traditional AI models are like black boxes. You don't know why they're making certain decisions. This lack of clarity is a huge barrier to widespread adoption. Plus, these models can be biased, which only adds to social inequalities. Clearly, we need a fresh approach to AI development. Enter Manus AI. This tech is a game changer because it tackles these challenges head-on. First, it focuses on explainability. With Manus AI, you can actually understand why an AI model makes a particular decision. This builds trust, especially in high-stakes industries. Secondly, Manus AI addresses bias by using a new approach to data curation. It ensures AI models are trained on diverse, representative datasets. This means fairer, more accurate AI. Manus AI is also super flexible, adapting to new scenarios and generalizing across different contexts. Imagine the impact this could have on autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis, and cybersecurity. Developers can create AI models that are more accurate, transparent, and robust than ever before. One standout success story is an AI-powered medical diagnostic tool developed within the Manus AI ecosystem. This system can diagnose diseases with unprecedented speed and accuracy, often outperforming human clinicians. Just think about the potential to revolutionize healthcare. This breakthrough was possible thanks to the collaboration of researchers and developers globally, truly showcasing the power of Manus AI to drive innovation. So to wrap things up, Manus AI technology is set to transform the AI landscape. By overcoming the limitations of current AI tech, Manus AI is ushering in a new era of innovation and progress. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about AI, staying updated on Manus AI is a must. Thanks for tuning in. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Manus AI technology in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more on the future of AI, check out our video on the top AI trends to watch in the coming years. Catch you next time.